Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus like restaurants. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality. You'll need dried chickpeas, not canned, for that authentic, creamy texture. Also, ensure you have fresh lemon juice, a good quality tahini paste, and a touch of garlic. These foundational elements are crucial for achieving the rich, nuanced flavor profile found in your favorite restaurant hummus. Don't forget a pinch of baking soda for the chickpeas. The secret to incredibly smooth hummus begins with proper chickpea preparation. After soaking your dried chickpeas overnight with a half teaspoon of baking soda, drain and rinse them thoroughly. Then, boil them in fresh water, again with a small pinch of baking soda, until they are exceptionally tender. They should be soft enough to easily mash between your fingers. This overcooking is key to breaking down their skins, ensuring a silky, lump-free consistency that rivals any restaurant. Now for the blending magic. In your food processor, combine the tahini, fresh lemon juice, a clove of garlic, and a few ice cubes or a splash of ice water. Process this mixture until it becomes light, pale, and fluffy. This emulsification step is vital for achieving that airy texture. Next, add your warm, overcooked chickpeas and blend for several minutes, scraping down the sides, until the hummus is incredibly smooth and creamy, like a luxurious dip. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your hummus and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt or lemon juice as needed to achieve that perfect balance. For serving, spread it onto a shallow dish, create a swirl with the back of a spoon, and drizzle generously with good quality olive oil. A sprinkle of paprika and fresh chopped parsley adds both color and flavor. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality hummus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.